pop out your shared screen. Yes, this is a new functionality, but first a like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, what you want to do is sometimes when you are presenting, you want to see the faces of people who are joining in your meeting, who are in the meeting, and still be seeing your presentation. Or if you are viewing a presentation, then you still want to see the people who are joined in the meeting. You want to see their face expressions. Well, that is what this video is about. So let's go into the demo. I started already Teams, so now I'm going to join the appointment, and what I'm going to show you is how to share a screen and have it in a split screen. Now you may be used, let's join here as well, one moment. Now you may be used when you share that it's that you have the possibility to see the people and a second screen. But if somebody else shares his content, then it's a bit different. So here I see that I'm gonna share my screen over there. So in this case I'm sharing my screen, and what you see is that normally you get to see the people here or at the top, depending on how many people, which content. But in this case I want to have it split, so I want to see the people and the content. Previously it was not possible, but now with this button, pop out, you will be able to see the content itself and the people aside. So you don't need to have two screens. In my case I only have one screen. So here you see all the people, and here you see the content that's displayed. So if more people would be in here, you would see them here. Yes, you saw in this demo how to pop out your screen with the live meeting, and I'm very curious if you are using this functionality or not, and if so, comment on what you like, what you don't like about this new functionality. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.